Gutter maintenance is a crucial aspect of home care, and it often involves the process of clearing gutters to prevent blockages. At RedClean, we specialise in ensuring that the inside of your gutters is debris-free and flowing freely. In this blog, we'll explore more in detail why clearing the inside of the gutters is paramount and why washing down the insides might only sometimes be necessary, and how RedClean's approach strikes the perfect balance for homeowners. The core of gutter maintenance: clearing inside the gutters. Preventing blockages. The primary objective of any gutter maintenance is to prevent blockages. Over time, leaves, twigs and other debris can accumulate inside the gutters, leading to clogs. These clogs disrupt the flow of rainwater, resulting in overflow and significant damage to your home's exterior and foundation. The heart of RedClean's approach is to tackle the issue head-on by clearing the inside of the gutters. Ensuring optimal functionality. The essence of gutter systems lies in their ability to channel rainwater away from your home. When gutters are clogged, their functionality is compromised. Clearing the inside of your gutters is the surefire way to guarantee that water can flow freely through the system, allowing gutters to fulfill their primary purpose effectively. Why we don't wash down the insides. Practicality. While washing down the inside of gutters might seem like a thorough approach, it can be both time-consuming and less practical. It often involves using water and additional equipment, making it more complex than just removing the debris. Environmental considerations. At RedClean, we take our environmental responsibility seriously. Excessive water usage for gutter cleaning can be wasteful and harmful to the environment. Our debris clearing approach aligns with our eco-friendly values, as it minimises water usage and environmental impact. Cost effectiveness. Our commitment to efficient gutter cleaning means that we can offer homeowners cost-effective services. By focusing on clearing the inside of the gutters without the need of elaborate washing procedures, we can provide competitive pricing while delivering excellent results. RedClean's commitment to clear gutters. At RedClean, our mission is to provide homeowners with gutters that are not just clear of debris, but also functioning to their full potential. Our process thoroughly clears the debris inside the gutters, ensuring that they're free-flowing and ready to handle rainwater effectively. Here's a closer look at how we can achieve this. Assessment. Our team begins by assessing the condition of your gutters. We identify areas where debris has accumulated and areas that might require special attention. Safe and efficient removal. Armed with the right tools and safety equipment, we can clear the inside of your gutters. This involves carefully removing leaves, twigs and other debris that may be blocking the water flow. Thorough inspection. Following the debris removal, we conduct a meticulous inspection to ensure that all blockages have been addressed. We take pride in leaving your gutters where water can flow freely without any obstructions. In conclusion, RedClean's approach to gutter maintenance revolves around clearing the inside of your gutters. This proactive measure prevents blockages, ensuring optimal functionality, and protects your home from potential damage caused by clogged gutters. While some may consider washing down the insides, our approach balances thoroughness, practicality, environmental responsibility, and cost effectiveness. Trust RedClean for a straightforward and effective solution to keep your gutters in top condition.